Boys and girls, today we're at my father's shop and we're making presents for my mama, and my favorite part about the shop is eating snacks. Popcorn, please. But first we have to turn off the lights.
Why is that?
Because it will be an awful surprise and we won't be able to work what you're using right now. Boop, boop, boop. How do you put in?
Of course. And then 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
How do you, 2 minutes? 2, 2?
2, 2. 0. Start.
Start where? Or start?
Can you read? It's one of these silver buttons.
Start. Can I have the whole bag of popcorn?
You don't want to share with Papa?
No. Boys and girls, this is the robot. I hear it popping. We have to be careful with the robot because it's dumb and it has no soul. I'm too little, so I need a stool. This is the robot brain and it talks mathematics. While we have a snack, we're gonna make a plan for the robot. And because mathematics is a hard word, it's a hard language, so we're gonna get the computer to do mathematics for us. Boop, 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 beep, 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 boop, boop, pop, pop, boop, boop, beep.
When did you learn to be an engineer?
Steel trap. While my papa was doing mathematics, I was building this little house for my Lego man. Time to go to sleepy. Ooh, that's nice because we're making a heart for my mama. This is the beep boops that the robot speaks. This is why they're dumb. They only calculate. They don't think. I choose aluminum. And my dad's gonna carve it, and it's a very noisy machine and I don't like it.
Gonna be loud.
Uh-oh, can I just wait? Wait till I say go. Not yet. Wait. When you hear no footprints, that means go. No footprints, go. I'm just gonna go get the Sharpie back. Ah, what happened? What happened to what? Your house. My house? Now we have to put it in the vise and we'll have to move the table. Boys and girls, we're gonna handle jog. This one?
It's a full start. Excellent.
Now I hand it to my papa because I'm too little and my papa's superpower is strongness.
Yeah, but smell's not everything.
Click. We need to tell the computer where the aluminum is. Now the computer's happy. Papa, can I have a Gatorade, please?
I think so.
Yay! I love shop snacks. You gotta stay hydrated when you're at the shop. These are all the tools that the computer needs. Can I hit it?
Yeah, punch it, Chewy.
Can I go play?
What's that?
Can I go play Lego?
Absolutely.
Yahoo! Yeah, that's quieter. And make sure there's no aliens. Ah, fine. Zoom, 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 zoom. Hi, Speedy. Ew! And dry blood. Boys and girls, this is coolant. It's not milk. It gets recycled. It's done, Papa. Can I open it?
Absolutely.
Wow, that's beautiful. What? That's a beautiful birthday present. It put confetti on it. Back to work, boys and girls. See you at next adventure.